Demonstrating how to safely rig objects underwater and use a lift bag requires excellent buoyancy control, precision, and clear communication. Demonstrating the rig and lift skill with confidence and accuracy will help provide your students with additional techniques needed when learning to master this skill. Let's learn how you can improve your rigging and lift bag demonstrations. Begin the demonstration with "You Watch Me" and provide your students with the signal for rig and lift. Communicate roles. You will demonstrate the skill and your dive master assists by holding the lift bag. First, prepare the lift bag and rigging device. In this video, we will be using a weight belt and weights. Have the dive master hold onto the lift bag by pinching the top two corners of the bag. The dump valve should be facing out towards the students. Take one end of the weight belt through the loop at the bottom of the lift bag. Feed the end of the belt through the buckle and remember to make sure the buckle is tightly secured. Once rigging is complete, check that everyone is okay before proceeding. Next, take out the alternate second stage. Make sure the hose is over your shoulder with the mouthpiece flat. Show clearly you are opening the bottom of the lift bag with an open palm. Then place the alternate second stage under the opening and purge a small amount of air into the lift bag. Only one short purge is needed at first. The bag will now remain upright. At this point, your dive master can now let go. Remember to check the buoyancy of the lift bag as shown here. Continue adding small amounts of air until the lift bag becomes almost neutrally buoyant. Remember to keep checking the buoyancy of the lift bag as shown here. Let the alternate second stage hang over your shoulder. Before you begin the ascent, place your arm around the control line. Place your left hand into the top handle of the lift bag and hold the dump valve in your right hand. Use the line as a guide during the ascent and instruct the students to ascend with you. Communicate with the dive master to stay with the students. Signal and begin your ascent. Remain in a horizontal trim position and eye level with the top of the lift bag. Remember, the air expands as you ascend. Show you are venting air by pulling on the dump valve, venting only small amounts of air as needed. Here is a quick pro tip when using the dump valve. Wrap the string around one of your fingers, place your thumb and first finger on the dump valve. Create tension on the string by gently pushing against the dump valve. Remember to signal to your students that you are looking up, checking the surface as you ascend. Continue to release air as needed. Remind your students to check the ascent rate and ascend nice and slowly. Keep communicating with your students and dive master. Just below the surface, fill the lift bag completely by using the alternate second stage. Once the lift bag is fully inflated, instruct the students to now surface with you. Remember to wrap your leg around the ascent line for control. At the surface, fully inflate your BCD switch from your regulator to your snorkel and cut the demonstration.